Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Cayenne. The Cayenne was an instant success for Porsche, earning both critical praise and popular acceptance, while reaching 100,000 in sales faster than any Porsche model ever. Porsche just continues to improve it. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.